Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this very easy beanie hat. I use 8mm hook and 8mm yarn. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot, and chaining. Yarn over, pull up yarn, make chains. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 23, 24. I make 24 chains in here. Twenty-four centimeters. In here, skip one chain, go to next chain. I show. Skip this chain, go to next chain, insert your hook into next chain, yarn over, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, go to next chain, insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, and repeat. Pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns. So make one single crochet in each chain. I made these stitches. Go to last chain, insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, make one single crochet. Now we have one single crochet in each chain. You can count stitches with these loops. I show. We have 2 loops in top of stitches. These loops look like V, and chains look like a chain. Count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and repeat. In here I made 24 stitches. Make a chain. This is turning chain. Turn the work. In top of stitches we have 2 loops. In here continue like this in this work. In first stitch take 1, 2 loops together on your hook. I show one more. Insert your hook into first stitch, take 2 loops in first stitch on your hook, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make single crochet. In other stitches insert your hook. This is front loop, this is back loop. insert your hook like this, take back loop on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, make single crochet, go to next stitch. I show, insert your hook, pull up yarn, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in back loops, and repeat. I show into last stitch, insert your hook, take back loop on your hook, pull up yarn, make a single crochet in last stitch. I show we have 2 loops in here, front loop, back loop. Take these loops on your hook, take 2 loops together on your hook. I show, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, make 1 single crochet in last stitch, make a chain, turn the work, take 2 loops in first stitch, insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, and repeat from back loops, front loop, back loop, back loop, make 1 single crochet in every stitch, and repeat. Go to last stitch, take 2 loops in last stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, make a chain, turn the work, take 2 yarns in first stitch, pull up yarn, make single crochet, and continue from back loops, make back loop, single crochet in each stitch, make continue like this. I show, and make more rows in first stitch and last stitch. Take 2 yarns on your hook, make a single crochet, and in every stitch we make back loops, single crochet stitches, make more rows like this. I made 42 rounds in here. I show, measure this side around your head and make these rows. You can make more rows and make larger than this size. I show, I have 48 centimeters in here. I made this hat for 58 centimeters. If your head is 60 centimeters, you should make 50 centimeters of these rows. Cut this yarn, working yarn, join these sides together. Fold the work. I show, join 2 sides together like this. We have 2 loops in this side, look like 1 chain, 1 2 loops, 2 loops in other side like a chain. Join 2 sides together, take back loop for front side, 2 loops from this side, back loop in here. I show 2 loops in other side, back loop, 2 loops, back loop, 2 loops, and repeat. Join. I show when you continue like this, this work look like seamless. In last stitch, make back loop and 2 loops. In here, join top of hat. Bring this yarn, hide tail of yarn under stitch. I show in here height of work. We have 22 centimeters in here. I show back our work.